and we have a new subscription box that I'm really excited about. We'll cover this silver and gold, and I watched one unboxing and decided that this is the one that I wanted to do. So I don't know much about this company. I know that I was reading that this is, or at least when I did the video, that this is sterling. And I have a little helper in my lap who won't move, so this is, yeah. But what we wanted to do was just order a few different boxes and see what happens and what's in them and what they're like. And of course I ordered jewelry because I have a huge collection of jewelry. I absolutely love it. So yeah, let me cover this. This one was $35, get $10 off your free box, or your first box. So it was $25. We paid for this ourselves. Check it out. That's pretty. Comes in a really pretty box. I love the boxes. I do reuse them for stuff. So let's see. Ooh, as an added bonus and an extra special gift from us, save 20% on any online item. Nice. Okay, so it looks like there's some flyers for some sale stuff. That's good. A little says next month you'll get a ring sizer as a free gift. Okay, so Kyle, can you see this? These come, and look at that, little velvet pouches. That's so cute. So we're gonna open this up. First one is a necklace. They come in another little baggie. Oh, it's so adorable. It's a little bird cage with a little bird on the outside in rose gold. And this is sterling silver. Super cute. I'm gonna put it on while I do the rest of the stuff so that maybe you can see it. Hard to put it on with my nails. Perfect length, so that's like, I don't know, 16 inches. All right, the next item. Earrings. Love earrings. Love me some good earrings. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh. I have a pendant that these will match. Can you see those good? They're just, it's like a little bar and it curves a little bit with little CZs. Those are so cute. And like I said, I actually have a necklace that those will match. So that's exciting. I like this. I really like this box. Ooh. And these are pearl earrings. Look at that. Oh, sorry, Molly. And these are like a yellow gold pearl. These are really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see that because Kyle's doing the filming. But we'll get close-up shots of all of these. I like this. And this box was, well, normally $35. I got it for $10 off, $25. Even if this was a $35 box, I love it. Absolutely love it. And like I said, there's stuff for some sale prices. I think I'll go ahead and get another one of these boxes because I can't wait to see what else is in there. And like I said, we bought these ourselves with our own money, so unbiased opinion. I will drop some things down below to let you know what I'm thinking. Kyle's giving me some things to look at. I chose this box, like I said, because we just wanted to start some new things, try some new boxes. And of course, jewelry appealed to me because I love jewelry. If you watch my other videos, you'll see that I always have earrings in, never take them out. And if I do, it means I have to put another pair in. Love my jewelry, have been hooked on jewelry since I was a very little kid. And that was my dad's fault. This, oh, by the way, this we ordered, and within 3 days they processed the order, and I think it was from the time they charged us and it said that it was sent out, it was only 3 or 4 days. It was crazy fast. Like, you can't, that's almost Amazon fast. That's crazy. So I would do this again. Definitely we'll do it again. We'll see what happens in the next month, because I think it's monthly subscription boxes. Like I said, we'll put that all in the video somewhere down below, because I just don't have that with me right now. So please, if you like our videos, hit like, subscribe, share. Let's get those numbers up. We're looking forward to it and can't wait. We have plenty of boxes that are going to be coming in the next couple weeks to show you. So until then, Jackie out. Bye-bye.